Hi everyone, it's Michelle the Crazy Homemaker again. Like promised, I'm going to teach you the clockwise and the counterclockwise spin of your pendulum like I like to see it. Like I said before, everybody is going to have their own opinions, they're going to have their own ways, but the reason I'm going to teach you something separate is because for me it means something separate, and there will be no discussion as to what is going on. All right, so here we go, back to our lovely little paper here. All righty, now you have your yes and your no on the paper, and I want you to make a circle, almost a circle, not a complete circle, in a clockwise fashion, and put a little arrow on it. This is going to denote your clockwise spin, otherwise known as CW. Alrighty. And on the other side, do the same in the opposite direction. And this is going to be your counterclockwise spin, otherwise known as CCW. Oops, I hope this isn't backwards. Well, anyhow, you get the idea there. For me, a clockwise spin means energy is going into something. Okay, it's going in a clockwise direction. Counterclockwise means energy is coming out of something. That's the counterclockwise. That's why I like to have a distinguishing between my yes and no. Yes and no. Yes will be like bobbing your head in an affirmative manner. No will be like shaking your head in a negative manner. Clockwise spin for me means energy in. Counterclockwise means energy out. So once again, we can try, if you're same kind of deal here. If it doesn't move in a clockwise manner, give it a flick and let it go and say, this is my clockwise spin. This means energy in. And just let it go. Okay. And once you get this down, it might just keep going for you. And the same with the counterclockwise. Give it a flick in a counterclockwise direction. This is my energy out direction, counterclockwise, and just let it go. Once again, you'll see your hand move a little bit. Yes, you'll see it. Like I said before, it's from the electricals of your brain and this energy here that's hitting your pendulum, and the energy that's coming from the universe, from all time, and giving you an answer. Alrighty. So this is why I do what I do here. Some people don't like that, but that's okay. This is my way. Like I said before, this is my way. Now, I also will have two more, but I'm only going to do one right now. And a little arrow on a diagonal between yes and no with a little arrow ends. And this means, for me, maybe. Okay, this means maybe, perhaps. It's not quite sure. Sometimes it would be a dead stop if there was no definitive answer. So don't be frustrated with that. There's going to be those times when you'll have a dead stop. You will not be able to get your pendulum to move in any direction whatsoever. So if you should ask a question and it's an unsure answer, it might go to the maybe direction. Once again, you can say, this is my yes, this is my no. Clockwise spin for energy in, counterclockwise for energy out. And I have one new quest for you, and it will be maybe. This means perhaps, this means maybe, or it is uncertain. However you like to word it. And just let it go. You will need something like this. If you get a maybe in any question that you ask, then you might have asked a question that doesn't give enough distinguishing points that where you could get a definitive answer. And in the next video, I can show you how to make simple commands, and how to ask simple questions. And from there, you can start having a little bit more fun and learning how to get some good answers. So take care, and this is a shorter video, but I hope you like it, and I hope you give this a try. Like I said, for me it's a lot of fun, and I enjoy it, and I've had a lot of people ask me if I do give classes, and I haven't, but for them, they can watch these YouTube videos on their own time, and they won't have to pay a penny for it. Okay, so take care, and I'll see you later.